Welcome to Upstarpress. GitHub Copilot free is available in your favorite code editor. It brings ChatGPT 4 for free in Visual Studio Code. This is the announcement announcing 150 million developers and a new free tier for GitHub Copilot in VS Code. It's from December 18, 2024. Here it is, GitHub Copilot from GitHub. Install it in Visual Studio Code to get interface like this. To install it, click Extensions icon and search for GitHub Copilot. Install GitHub Copilot from GitHub and you will get this. Now you can chat with it using this interface. Ask for code suggestions and code with AI. You can select from GPT-4o and Claude 3.5 for free. You can use voice chat. You can attach context files to work with large code bases. You can also use extensions. In the center, we have got some instructions. Ask Copilot programming questions or get help with your code using @workspace. Type @ to see all available chat participants that you can chat with directly, each with their own expertise. Make changes using natural language, AI suggested code compilations, use natural language in your files, look out for smart actions. Looks impressive. Let's try this. I have this HTML page. Let's ask Copilot. And it can see, it sees index.html current file. Okay. Give me a sample stopwatch app and JavaScript, vanilla JavaScript. Okay, it is writing the code for the whole page. Let's copy these styles. In fact, this whole style in the head section, I'll paste it. And then it suggested all this code. Let's copy this. How will I scroll? Okay. So let's copy this div here. And it attached jQuery that I already have, and here's the script. And I can also ask it to explain the code structure. Let's try this as is. And here is the stopwatch, start. Stop. And it works perfectly. Out of the box. I don't need to do anything. It just works. Amazing, isn't it? I will share this code after a bit of optimization. Okay. So you have access to 2000 code completions and 50 chat messages per month for free. This is the limitation. And we also have GitHub Copilot free online. It's a web-based version. We can also use that as well. 2000 code completions are plenty. When it runs out, you have other free AI services like free ChatGPT, Gemini from Google, Hugging Face Chat, and Meta AI free version, or Llama 3. But anyways, this is also a good option to have. Like I was using other extensions, but this is authentic from GitHub and it's inside Visual Studio Code. Good for boilerplates, good for quickly generate any kind of code. What do you think? Will you be using it? Let me know in comments. Okay, I hope it helped. Like this video if you would like more AI stuff on this channel. See you in the next one.